Hey gang, Sally here. Hope you're having an amazing and fascinating day. I know I am. That's how I start pretty much every video that I make. And here's the deal. I travel full time crossing the United States in my Class CRV with Kit.
Wake up with the sun in our eyes. Sally forth, no need for goodbyes. Journey calls, let's roll the dice. Every mile a new surprise.
If you love the idea of exploring the US, meeting interesting folks, discovering quirky places, and learning some clever RV tricks, well, welcome aboard. Glad to have you here. I believe in curiosity, kindness, and courage. Whether it's trying a new recipe in my tiny RV kitchen or figuring out how to fix something with zip ties and hope, see my awning, this channel is all about learning, laughing, and living boldly. And over time, I've realized that most of my favorite people fall into three different types, or maybe a little bit of each. There's Wanderin Joe, somebody that's on the road, loving the journey, and always down for a campfire and a good story. Or Tinker Tom, the fixer, the hacker, the DIY genius who watches my videos for the mods and the gear. Or maybe Practical Patty, careful, curious, maybe just getting started. Patty wants inspiration with a little instruction, and I love helping her take that first step. So the truth is, I'm a little bit of all three. And if you're here, I bet you are too. So if you're ready to sally forth, to move forward briskly into the unknown, to explore, to learn, to laugh, and live a little bit bigger, go ahead and hit subscribe. I post new videos pretty much every other day, and I'd love for you to be a part of this little adventure family. Oh, and let me know in the comments, are you a Joe, a Patty, or a Tom? Or maybe a bit of all three. Thank you so much for being here. Let's sally forth together.